Welcome to the case study series in Negotiation by Skilled MBA. In this session, we examine the often overlooked negotiation dynamics between organizations and headhunters, a relationship that plays a vital role in strategic talent acquisition. Headhunters are far more than intermediaries, they serve as strategic partners in identifying and aligning top talent with organizational goals. Their ability to match candidates' skills and values with a company's long-term vision contributes directly to organizational performance and culture fit. Effective negotiation with headhunters goes beyond compensation or placement fees. It involves strategic conversations centered on mutual benefit, role alignment, and a long-term partnership, not just a transactional exchange. Mastering this approach ensures that both the organization and the headhunter are aligned in their mission to attract and retain the right talent for sustained success. The talent gap is widening as companies struggle to find qualified candidates in a competitive global market. Leadership roles remain unfilled for extended periods, highlighting the need for innovative recruitment strategies. Traditional job postings are insufficient. Companies must adopt strategic approaches to attract and retain top talent. Headhunters act as talent curators, uncovering specialized candidates beyond traditional recruitment. They build relationships, ensuring optimal matches between candidates and companies. Additionally, they evaluate cultural fit alongside hard skills, crucial for long-term success. This comprehensive approach addresses the growing talent gap by aligning company needs with candidate capabilities. Define roles with precision, specifying skills and values to avoid ambiguity. Choose headhunters aligned with your industry and values. Collaborate on branding to ensure they convey your unique value proposition. Maintain transparency about timelines and potential obstacles to streamline the hiring process. Adopt a partner mindset with headhunters for strategic alliances. Focus on value-driven, long-term success through collaborative communication, including regular updates and feedback loops. Avoid treating headhunters as mere vendors. An unclear brief results in mismatched candidates and wasted time. Ensure clarity and partnership to optimize recruitment outcomes. Candidates should start with a self-assessment, identifying their goals, strengths, and limitations. Research the company's culture, leadership, and growth opportunities. Clearly articulate your unique value beyond the resume. Leverage the headhunter for insights into the role and expectations, ensuring alignment with your career aspirations. In a three-way negotiation, the candidate seeks the best role fit and compensation, while the headhunter balances interests and facilitates communication. The company desires talent that aligns with its goals and culture. Success hinges on understanding each party's aligned yet distinct interests, ensuring a mutually beneficial outcome. Credentials and experience form the foundation of your professional value. Highlight your problem-solving approach to demonstrate adaptability. Showcase leadership and teamwork to emphasize your human impact. Finally, articulate your unique perspective, illustrating what sets you apart in the industry. These elements collectively present a compelling narrative beyond the resume. Strategic questions are crucial in interviews. Start with, what attracted you to my profile for this role? To understand the recruiter's perspective. Inquire about the company's leadership style and culture. Explore potential challenges with, what challenges might the successful candidate face first? Finally, address fit concerns by asking, what concerns might the company have about my fit? The Skilled MBA approach offers role-playing to practice headhunter negotiations from various perspectives through simulations. Utilize feedback tools for expert assessment on your negotiation style and effectiveness. Enhance your network building skills to create lasting professional relationships. Delve into real-world cases to study actual placement scenarios and their outcomes for valuable insights. Our program delves into headhunter dynamics, teaching you how to structure expectations effectively. You'll learn to present your professional value compellingly and build trust networks essential for career advancement. These skills are crucial for navigating the complexities of professional placements and ensuring successful outcomes. Companies should avoid vague job descriptions and slow feedback processes. Candidates must not exaggerate qualifications or accept poor cultural fits. Both parties should research thoroughly and remain flexible. Micromanaging the search and understating challenges can hinder success. Addressing these pitfalls ensures a smoother recruitment process. Building long-term relationships with headhunters involves staying connected, even when not actively searching. Regular updates foster rapport. Providing feedback on placements helps refine future matches. Offering referrals of qualified connections enhances the network, benefiting all parties involved. A multinational company faced high turnover in a key role. By engaging a headhunter, they identified cultural fit issues and adjusted criteria, leading to successful retention. A candidate transitioning industries communicated transferable skills, resulting in rapid advancement. A startup's partnership with a specialized headhunter ensured a talent pipeline, enabling seamless executive transitions during expansion. Connect with Skilled MBA for expert guidance in career transitions and strategic placements. Our team is dedicated to helping you navigate opportunities with clarity, confidence, and purpose. Reach us at जोड़ 918755300795 or email support@skilladamba.com. Explore our full range of services at https://skilladamba.com/ to enhance your professional journey with tailored solutions and ongoing support. Thank you for choosing Skilled MBA. We are proud to be a part of your growth, empowering you to make informed, impactful career decisions.